Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to discuss about a very common issue that many of my students are facing. That is, they are getting this error called cannot connect to database, SID_XC is not registered with the listener at host localhost port 1521. So why it is happening and how to resolve this, that is what I am going to show you on this video. So this is mainly happening because this SID_XC is not registered with this latest version of Oracle 26 AI. So what you can do is you can go to search and type CMD to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type lsn or ctl then status and hit enter, that's going to show you the status of the listener. Here you can see all these different services that are available. So you can use any of them. I am going to use this very free one. So I'm going to copy this. So here in SID you need to remove that was there before and to put what you are basically just copying it from here. So you just put that free and as you click on test, bingo, success. So now you can easily connect it. So you click on save and you click on connect and to provide your password again and you click on OK. And you are connected. You can see it has rightly opened. So now you are connected and you can start working on your SQL programming.